Hi guys, today we are at Dark Hedges and it's so amazing. And this location is in Northern Ireland. The Game of Thrones series was actually also shooted here. And I will have to say there's a lot of nests and birds. This place is actually popular and loads of people come here. On these trees there's a lot of birds and a lot of nests with birds. The look of these trees are so amazing, and these trees branches are so wiggly. I think these trees must be so old. These trees are looking tall but more fatter. Next video, and please like and subscribe for more, and bye bye.